Hi, it's Ashleigh from Sweet Dreams Bake Shop, and welcome to Fail Friday. Today we're going to be looking at 3 royal icing fails, specifically when you're working on sugar cookies that you can fix with your dehydrator. If you don't have a dehydrator, then you can always use your oven as well, which is actually my preferred method because you can fit more cookies in at once. So let's get piping. Fail number 1, sinking or caved in details, as well as rippling base icing. As you can see in this photo, my base icing isn't perfectly smooth. It has a little bit of rippling going on, and that's caused by too much heat. Some people fix it with a fan. I like to fix it with the dehydrator. So the fix for this is your dehydrator is going to solidify that base icing way more rapidly. All you need to do is pipe your icing like you normally do. If you need some help with that, click the link in the right-hand corner. And then after you fill in all that base icing, you're going to put it in the oven at 175 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes. Fail number 2, lack of definition and your icing flowing together. In this photo, you can see the frosting of the cupcake is nicely defined because I blocked it off. The fail usually happens for this because we're rushing. So instead of coloring one section, letting it dry completely, and then coloring the next section that's directly beside it, we just kind of move on really quickly and then all the colors start running together. So using the dehydrator allows us to speed up that process, so if we're in a hurry, we don't have to wait. Fail number 3, color bleeding, and this is especially prevalent when we use black and white. So the fix is, you need to use your dehydrator between colors. After making this kitten black, I'm going to pop it back in the oven before I put any other details on top. I've done this where I just let the cookie rest without going into the dehydrator or oven, and the colors always bleed, even after the base icing has turned opaque. So I've switched over to using my dehydrator between layers at all times. One major tip is to make sure that you don't leave your stuff in the oven for too long, or else this can happen. Yeah, I left this in for about 30 minutes, which is way too much for a cookie that's this small. Scrape off all those yucky bits and just add details, and you will be absolutely fine. These cookies belong to an even more elaborate set, so keep your eyes peeled for that video. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you can be part of the Sweetie fam. Right now I'm uploading daily, so make sure you hit that notification bell so you know when I upload. Bye!